Well, hi, it's Scott Riley here, Director of Strategic Alliances for GCI, and I'm at the Convergence North event in Harrogate. I'm just going to take 90 seconds-ish to tell you about our Applications Anywhere service. So let's jump straight in. Applications Anywhere, what is it? It's our cloud service that enables you to take your enterprise applications and then take them anywhere on the move, from any device, so you can get to them from your tablet, from your mobile phone. But the key thing is that it's secure and it's safe anywhere you go. And the nice part is that data never sits on that device. So if it gets lost in a taxi, or if it just gets mishandled or stolen or even just broken, it doesn't matter. Your data's always safe and it's always backed up in the cloud for you. So this means, as I said, you can securely access that business data. So I'm thinking the great applications for this are when we talk to our legal customers and our financial advisors. They're out and they're able to securely advise their clients of what's going on with their case or their investment portfolio, but none of that data sits on that device. It just sits securely in the cloud, and we're just accessing a view of it thanks to this application. So, why is it great? It's perfect for applications that aren't quite cloud ready yet. So when we look at these legal companies and even travel companies and financial companies, we have an awful lot of legacy applications that were built many, many years ago, and they're just not quite ready to be packaged up and moved into the cloud yet. So what we can do is that we actually enable that service for you. We bring our clever guys in, we wrap that up, make it nice and safe, and we do the application delivery for you. Now you can get to that data while you're on the move, and now you can keep working with your clients wherever you are. So the kind of thing that we're talking about here, it's allowing you to embrace bring your own device, enterprise mobility, just getting out there and having your guys on the road and doing their work from wherever they are, but also those revolting millennials. So we got these guys now, they're swinging into the workspace and everything they know is all about apps. Their whole world is just apps, apps, apps. It's how they consume things, it's how they do things at home, and it's what they expect in the business. You expect them to come in now and just be kind of shackled to one desk and one desktop and using fixed applications. That just isn't how they work. And you know what, it might be great to kind of impose how we do things on them now, but those guys they're in the workspace and they're changing that workspace. We've got these guys in the workforce now and they're influencers, right? They're telling us how things could be better, but actually pretty soon they're going to be sort of key influencers and then decision makers. So it's going to be great to listen to these guys, embrace this kind of technology, and really get that app-centric culture. So there's a little bit more to tell you. It's absolutely fantastic for business continuity. So a lot of times we talk to people who have a huge contact center, many, many PCs on desks, and we say to them, you know, what would happen if you couldn't get access to this building for a day? Where would you send all these people? How would they get to their applications? So with this technology, that thing's just enabled out of the box. Whether they're sat in their office or sat at home or sat on a beach somewhere, it doesn't matter. They can get to those enterprise applications, and the great thing is, with some of our other solutions, we can even route the phone calls straight through to them as well. So anyone calling in needing to get through to that contact center agent, they wouldn't have a clue that they're not sat in an office next to a PC. They're just using applications in a really intuitive way. So just think unshackling. We're moving people away from the desks, the desktops, and we're getting them out onto beaches. In fact, one of our main clients, they actually use this system in Jamaica, in Kenya, in Australia, and of course in the glamorous UK where the weather is much better. So, if you want to learn more about this, we're over on stand 36. Come and see GCI. Thanks very much.